morning. So let me preface this video a little bit for you guys. So last night I went out with the Northern Mustang Club of Colorado. Awesome group of guys. And met a really cool dude by the name of Jeremiah. And he was gracious enough to let me drive his 2015 Lamborghini Huracan. He also let me drive his new Edge Mustang. It's an 03 4.6 built engine with a turbo, 88 millimeter. I can't remember what size he said, but it's about 600 rear wheel horsepower. Awesome cars, amazing time, great people. And I also threw a clip in here of last weekend when I got to ride in a GTR, 600 wheel horsepower GTR, and it was absolutely insane. Met a lot of great people, and I can't thank them enough for being so gracious to me. Enjoy the video, guys. All right.
There we go.
Here
we go.
Where we
See
go?
this right here?
Yes.
Start button.
Start button.
Put it on brake. Push it down. It raises up.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
So, what year's your Lambo?
2015.
2015 Huracan.
Yes, sir.
How do you raise and lower it even more than this?
Right here. So what you do?
Oh, that is awesome.
As you can see, it goes all the way down.
Okay.
And that's not even all the way down. Remember I showed you earlier?
Yeah.
It goes farther, but yeah.
So you can manually turn it all the way down.
Yeah, you go one because that's a position that's comfortable for the car.
Okay.
But dude, you can nut it hard. You know.
Yeah.
Everyone likes to nut hard, but you know it's all good. So we do three, and as you see it blinking, what it's doing is there's a compressor in front. You know where there's a engine in back, obviously.
Yep,
and
exactly.
then
So you got a little trunk up front.
The bonnet, whatever the
bonnet?
stupid bonnet thing.
The
is
boot.
Called. The boot. There's a big compressor there, and so dude, you can't go anywhere and grab any groceries. So let's do it that way. So what it's doing now is it's building pressure. And then I'll show you. If you look at the lights, it'll be good in like, I don't know, 5-10 seconds. It says low there, but yeah, it's good.
This is awesome.
Yeah. Dude,
I've always wanted to drive one of these.
I love this car. It gives me a boner every time I drive it, but So what it does here, so what you'll see is once. So look at, you see where light is?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So there you go. Okay. So what I do is I always lower it down a little bit in the back. See how it does that?
Yeah.
So what it does is it raises obviously the front. So let's go.
What?
So what you do? I know it's weird. So just push that. Then what you do here? Push manual. It says auto right there. There you go.
Okay, I got you.
Good to go.
That's it.
So just go really slow on the corner. That's not a.
Because the wheels are.
No, because the freaking front bumper is insane, dude.
Oh.
Yeah, you're good right here. Like, this is totally fine. But you're gonna see right here, over here on the right. So just take everything like crazy sideways.
Okay.
Like you would never believe. Yeah, you'll be fine on this if you just do like a crazy sideways thing. Yeah, just like
kind of like
just
a
go super slow, like ridiculously slow. There you go. Perfect. There you
Same
go.
thing I got to do in my car, only mine costs a lot less.
It really is. It's just more scary when you drive it.
Pretty sure your front bumper's all carbon fiber.
100%.
100% carbon fiber, and I'm pretty sure your bumper costs more than my car does.
Borsteiner, and they charge $10,000 for it. It's unpainted, uninstalled.
We don't really have an option. We're going right here.
Yeah, but that's where we're going. Though.
So do I have to downshift when I get here? Or?
No, you're good. No, you're good. You get on it too, dude. I mean, you're not gonna break the car, so.
I'm just nervous about the little.
Yeah, you're good there. No, you're good. Ready? Good. Shift way too early. Now watch this. Ready? So you felt that? Okay. So downshift again. Good. Let's wait till it's done.
This is legit.
Yeah, good. Here's the backsplash. You hear that?
Yeah.
one Colfax, and I have let this thing go like that, and you have no idea how many people jump and like go to the ground. I think they're getting fucking shot. It sounds like you're getting shot. It really does. It's really
This
loud.
is
It's
legit.
backfire. Yeah.
I gotta
It's
say,
just fun.
thank you.
Downshift a second and try it again.
We'll wait till this car goes by.
Yeah.
That's a red light.
No, you're good. Just floor real quick and let go. It sounds like 1,000 guns.
That is freaking amazing.
It's like a fully automatic. Yeah.
How far are we going?
We're about half a mile away. Very good. There you go. It's just steady torque, you know?
Yeah, it pulls so hard all the way through.
thing. Imagine sea level.
What's that?
Imagine sea level, dude. It'd be really fun. Problem is, anytime we get natural aspiration.
I'm gonna downshift here and hit it.
Here. Slow a little more down. Go to like 25. Go. Floor. Let's burn out a little bit.
Yeah, I shifted a little late. Right
That's
lane?
alright. No, you're fine. You're right lane. Sorry.
God, what the blinker is. Who cares?
Blinker's right here. Actually, once you get used to it, it's nice. Yeah, blinker's right here. You just go left or right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's
Just
easy
gonna
enough.
go right here. It's pretty fun, huh?
Dude, this is an awesome car.
It's just another experience, you know, that's all it is. You know, it's just a car, but when you drive it enough, you're like, man, this is just fun to drive. And, it's just a blast, dude.
It really is. Thanks for letting me drive you home.
Of course, man. Thank you. Because I'm drunk. It's perfect. I'm not going to
So
get DUI. Yeah, just keep going down.
I appreciate the couple of beverages you were
Yeah.
nice enough to
You
share.
only had a couple. I don't know if I'm on the video, but you only had a couple.
I can see your hand, but that's it. No,
Yeah.
two.
He only had a couple. Which means he's under a .04, so don't worry
Yeah,
about
exactly.
it. Yeah.
There was enough time. There was enough time in there.
Yeah, this guy's smart. Yeah, it's gonna make you go left up here.
Right here?
Yeah.
I suppose not after the red things.
Yeah, I mean that would suck, but you know, we could try.
It's legit. I love
Just
how it
feels
rides.
good, right? It feels
yeah,
good.
the air
Honestly,
ride.
it's not as bad.
No, the air ride
Honestly,
is
like,
super
once
nice.
you do like Strata.
Oh, we were even in sport, huh?
No,
Or you were in
in
Corsa.
sport, but do you see how firm it was?
Yeah.
Like, dude, now it'll ride like a freaking. It'll ride like nothing, dude. And it won't shift as fast like nothing. Careful in here. My neighbors are assholes.
They were waving.
Yeah. They're
Gave the
drunks.
one finger wave.
Yeah.
Is that you right there?
Yeah, right there. Yeah, just go slow right here. So go slow. Perfect. You can do the same thing. So cut in hard. You see where the corner is?
Yeah.
Cut in really hard, just like that.
Right here?
Yeah, just like that, and then go like straight, and then we're gonna cut hard again.
Perfect.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh, there's the Stang. Look at that.
You like this thing?
Dude, this is not a good driveway for the car.
Well, dude, I had to cut it down, dude. There you go, perfect. You're good. And then just go a little left, and then just cut it right.
I got you.
And here, watch this. Watch this.
You want to go far right?
And then push that down, or twist it all the way down. All the way down.
Right?
Twist it all the way. You're gonna feel like you're braking it, but you're not. There you go.
Oh, mirrors.
There you go. There you go.
All the way right?
And normally my GTR's in here. Yeah, no, you're good right here. Yeah,
Farther?
yeah, a little farther, bro. There you go, perfect. And then just push one. Park. Push one on that. Push park. Good to go.
Dang. That was awesome.
It's not bad, huh, dude?
Brake boost. This right here.
Second or third gear.
First gear. Actually, that should be second.
Yeah, I was gonna go through first so fast.
Brake boost? Yeah, it's coming on. First time driving a car with more than 300 horsepower?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hold on. Yeah, exactly. Be nice to it.
You know what I'll do? Go to the right, turn around, and then you can get it back that way. We know it's not. That's why I drove around the block. Make sure it wasn't. Go to the right. Yeah, and I'm gonna have to do something to my car. After you drive this, you're gonna want to do something. Here we go.
Get on it. Get on it. Come on.
Oh, don't be scared. See that red line? You've been attacked better be reaching that one. Turn around, turn around, turn around. I'll turn around. I'll do it on this road. There's a big drop off right here. Be careful. Oh, yeah. Tires are up.
Yeah, that's a big drop off. That'll be all right.
Just go for it.
Yep. Hit her.
Slow down a little bit.
Yeah, slow down.
You can go all the way over the hill. It's fine.
All right, let's try burnout. Well, I got to drive a 2015 Huracan and a 03 Mustang with a turbo at about 600 real oil horsepower. Still trying to decide what I like better. The Huracan shifts like butter. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. But the Mustang is so much faster. But I don't know, I still think my car's got them. We'll find out Tuesday. I'll have a dyno session on Tuesday with my car to see what we're putting down at the wheels, but my problem is traction. Traction is king. So I'm going to do a little pull here through first and second and get up to 70. Godzilla. Sorry, this is normal for you, but for me, I don't just walk up to a GTR and get in the driver's side every day. Oh, it's gonna be a good day, Tater.
A little warm up for a second.
Oh, you're good. So you got all of your,
Oh, yes.
engine oil.
All that good stuff.
Everything's like right there. Do you know what it takes to get that into Fox Body?
A lot.
Yeah, so I had to spend like $1,000 on my ECU.
Yeah, just to get
And
readouts.
It's got Bluetooth, so I got like a, yeah, that comes factory. Damn.
Oh, we can pass this bump.
Oh, you're good.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready. I hit myself in the face with my phone.
Hell yeah. That's how you know it was a good one.
Oh.